Hi everybody, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and I'm here to tell you about the September 2025 Creatively Inked Kit, which features the Gathering Moments stamp and die bundle. This die bundle is awesome, and I love the stamps because they feature the Stampin' Up! Distinctive style stamping, and it gives you beautiful images. Now, if you follow along with me, I've shared this a couple of times now on my Facebook page with some lives, and I've created some projects which are extra ideas for you. So if you choose to subscribe to Creatively Inked, starting with the September 2025 kit, you're going to get to play with this. So let's take a peek at the projects that you are going to make this month. So this die bundle, part of what I love about it is you have these large leaves and you have these accent pieces that go in the open dies to add little holes to your die cut. And you can choose to stitch in those, or you can use them as just an additional design element. You could put little gems in there. So many little things you could do. I chose to feature stitching on the projects this month, but you could change it up if you would like. So let's take a quick look at what you're going to make. So you're going to work with beautiful designer series papers and foil specialty papers, linen thread, beautiful glitter gems, and the most adorable little treat package. So, and if you don't want a treat package, you can take the front of this and you can open it so that it fits on a card base. Just pull some cardstock out of your stash and you can create a card base with it. So really pretty projects this month. So the registration period is open until September 20th, and then it will close on September 21st. I will order all of the products that will be included in this month's kit. There's about $20 of Stampin' Up! Product that's included in the kit, and there's enough in there to make 2 of each project. So you can make the projects included with your kit. You can either choose to add on an extra project kit packet, or you can just make extra projects on your own, and you will have enough supplies to do that. Then you will receive a completed card in your kit that features the beautiful stamped images with a fun technique to texture your stamped images. And that project will be completed. However, you will receive both a video and a written project tutorial if you would like to recreate it. So that's really fun. So if you would like to subscribe, do it by the 20th of this month. As I mentioned, I'll order all the supplies on the 21st of September, and then I will package it all up really fun for you, include a special gift in there, which I already have. They're really cool. And then you will receive that packet. They ship around the 30th, 31st of each month so that you have them the beginning of the next month. So I hope you give Creatively Inked a try. Subscribing is easy. It's $39 a month, and that includes the shipping to you. And you get the experience of having a premium DIY paper crafting kit at your fingertips to make beautiful projects with a tutorial that you can use afterwards to create more projects. So give it a try. Thanks.